What's up, guys? Well, Panda Monster here. This is gonna be a full video about my trip. Got here like yesterday. Actually, really early since you woke up at 5 a.m. And like that, I'm not a person. Explored a bit. This is the second day we're here. Tomorrow we're going back home. Kind of short trip, but that's the way it works. The water's beautiful. Pretty much, this is like sort of vlog-ish. Pretty much I'm gonna show you around. Not going on places, so long. Yeah, John trusts me. Just found a cool stick. Yeah, I will be picking up random cool sticks I find. Cool sticks are cool. So I want something even cooler. Snap the stick. You out there who like it, then yeah. Simulation. You may have already watched the short, but if not, where's that giant stick I found? There it is. I found this behemoth of a stick. It's giant. Well, found a bunch more cool sticks, but some of them my sibling threw into the water. Jerk. Found some cool rocks, all like around the same color. For a red violet fish, most of them it's more prominent than other fish. Yeah, some of them are more prominent than others, but I like them. They're cool, very smooth too, except for that one that has a shear just breaking it. I'm back in my pocket. I'm not gonna edit this because it's a vlog. You don't really edit vlogs, at least I don't think so. But we'll do. Give y'all some satisfying to see. I'm gonna throw a rock in the water because satisfaction. It's very satisfying. Throw rocks in the water, as I know from experience. See something cool? Cool. Yeah. And that camera up here, I think we moved this to this position ourselves. Oh. Yeah, the reason I'm moving it out to the ground, I don't want to show you anything. I found a pine cone. It's a pine cone. You may not understand why I swim like it so much. I'm just not really around nature that much. Most people aren't these days. Pretty cool pine cone. One board of like Kirby's and it's not land. Nintendo version, you don't need to have virtual games. That's for public games. Holy shit! That's a big branch, very heavy too. There we go. We'll just go. I have to restore against myself. Most I'll show y'all. It's my cool shirt. It's actually probably upside down to you guys. Sorry, not sorry. It's a Miraidon shirt. I like Pokemon. I haven't made any Pokemon videos because I don't know. People film stuff on Nintendo, post it to YouTube. I don't really get it. I don't know. Some people say it's an emulator. I haven't found any good emulators. Cool stick too. More sticks. Watch me eat this stick. Cool stick. Oh yeah. Pretty much. I've been enjoying it a lot here. Hanging out with friends, family, my sibling's boyfriend. Trust me, I am so thoroughly doing this. And I am loving every second of the third wheel in this. And some great memories. I had something called make your own pizza night last night. Pretty much we make our own pizzas. I didn't put enough cheese on mine. Like, the cheese didn't fully cover all the toppings. Like, the toppings are still barely visible. I can't have that. As you may notice, I like cheese. What if I toss a pine cone in the water? It floats. Nice. It's gonna come back. Yep, your thing is very bouncy. Pine cone, come here. This is very risky. I carried it. I can't. So close. Got it! Successfully saved the pine cone. Whee! Pine cone goes wee. Yeah. Just enjoying my trip. That's fantastic. Hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoyed my trip. Not as much since you're not actually here, but you're all here in my heart. I'm gonna be posting this when I get back from my trip. I'll go. Bye. Good to see ya. The only thing that matters to me is your happiness. And hopefully getting on camera. Hey. I've always wanted to have a famous YouTube channel. So I have to start YouTube. Also, I do want you guys to that's cool rock. Got a line in it. Lots of my territory. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video of my trip. Very pretty trees. So, if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and see you on the flip side.